Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu in Google Sheets step by step in just a few minutes. This is a quick guide, so you'll be able to easily create these handy drop-down lists for things like project trackers, grading sheets, inventory checklists, really anywhere you want to standardize inputs and keep your data organized. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a drop-down menu, and I'll also give a few tips along the way to make the process feel smooth, even if you're totally new to Google Sheets. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want your drop-down menu to appear. Just left-click once. It doesn't matter if the cell already has some content, you can still create a drop-down there and it'll overwrite whatever's there before. I find it helpful to plan ahead a little. Think about which column or row works best for the menu, especially if you might be copying it down later on for multiple rows, like for different names or dates. Once you've selected your target cell, bring your attention up to the menu bar at the very top of the screen. You're looking for the Insert option. It'll be a little button along the row near File and Edit. Go ahead and click on Insert. This opens up a menu with several options. Sometimes people expect this kind of thing to be under Tools or Format, but Google actually made it pretty intuitive by putting it right under Insert, since you're technically adding a new element to your sheet. Now in the menu that pops down, take a look through the options and you'll see one labeled Dropdown. In some versions, it might say Dropdown Menu or just Dropdown. Click on that. Google Sheets is going to immediately start the process for you. If it's your first time, don't worry if a sidebar or a settings panel pops up. It's just giving you the chance to customize the options that'll show up in your menu. From here, you can add whatever choices you want people to pick from, maybe in progress, completed, or not started for a project tracker, or perhaps yes and no for a quick checklist. Think of this like you're handing out a menu at a restaurant. You get to decide what's on the list and people can only order what you've listed. That way you avoid typos or unexpected entries and your data stays super clean and easy to work with. Once you've finished entering the options you want, you can hit Done or just click away and your drop-down menu is now active in that cell. Click the little arrow in the cell and you'll see your choices super satisfying, right? And there you go, that's literally all it takes to set up a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. It's quick, it's easy, and it can save you a ton of time if you're managing lists or data. If you want to copy the drop-down to more cells, just use the little square in the bottom right corner of the cell to drag it down or across and you're all set. So give it a try, and if you have any questions or run into anything you're not sure about, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.